everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts Hair and welcome back to another video. I'm here today with the lovely Baylee. She's 6 years old. Thanks for doing the video, Boo. Okay, so today me and Bales are going to show you a video about, well, basically I seen a style, as I always do. This time it was Confessions of a Hairstylist. Jenny, she's amazing. And she did this kind of like boho-y, festival-y, braidy. It was gorgeous anyway. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to do 3 slightly different looks with the same style and you guys can decide which one's your favourite. Okay guys, so to start this style, what I want you to do is take a section of hair from the front, going from wide to like a triangular shape, okay? You can use your fingers or a comb. And then just section this off, guys. So just wrapping it around and just putting a clip there. Next we'll come to the sides. I'm going to leave some little bits out by Baylee's ears. Baylee's got her fancy little purple cat hearing aid charms in today, haven't you, Boo? Ooh, fancy. Okay, so this bit here, we're going to come down. So it's kind of that shape, guys, okay? Put a bobble in that for me. And then just gather up this hair at the back, and for now, just pop another bobble in. So we've basically sectioned the hair into 4 bits. Okay guys, so we're going to release this bit down. Now we're going to do a little French braid, okay? I have got a French braid tutorial that I can put the link in for you. Now I've just washed Baylee's hair like an hour ago, so it's kind of soft and silky. So if you feel like the hair is kind of soft and silky, what I want you to do, is she pulling funny faces at the camera?
She's like...
Are you pulling funny faces at the camera? I can't see you. So what I want you to do, guys, is use a little bit of either texture spray. I'm using the spray clay by Sexy Hair, but you could use a dry shampoo or a texture spray. I just love this one. And what that's going to do is just give a little bit of grip. Can you just cover your face there for me, Bill? Okay guys, so little French braid, okay. I am going to be teasing out the sides slightly because I don't want this look to be too severe. So passing those little strands over. Ooh, actually, I'm going to ask you now. I am thinking of doing a tutorial on how to French braid very, very fine, shorter hair. Because I do hold the sections a little bit differently. I actually hold them like I am now, which is not how I usually hold it. And I'm also thinking about doing a tutorial about how to feed in the coloured hair into a braid. And I'm going to use the same model. I'm going to use a little girl that's got very, very fine short hair. So if you'd like to see that, give me a shout out, please.
Like me?
No, guess who we're going to use, Baylee? Sophia. Yeah, Sophia's Baylee's best friend. She's super cute, but she's got very, very fine, shorter hair. So I thought I'd use her, Bill. So can you see how I'm not allowing that braid to be scalped, like proper pulling tight? I want that little bit of movement. I want to be able to just tease these outside bits like that. Don't want too much volume. Just enough to make it look kind of like a little braided poof. I don't really know what to call it. I think we usually say a little poof, don't we, Ebs? Baylee's got bits of grass in her hair still, even though I washed it this morning because they were playing in the field yesterday. So, oh, there's another bit of grass, Baylee. You know the little seeds? Who did that to you?
Matilda and Sophia.
Did they? Still coming out your hair, Boo. You can have grass growing out your hair.
I think it was when they did that winter...
Yeah, winter, summer, shake it and you throw it. Yeah, I know the one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay guys, so last few little stitches. You can see that I'm just teasing out those side bits, and then we're just going to pop a little elastic in. And then you can just kind of hold that elastic and just do a bit more teasing if you want to. Okay guys, next bit we're going to do a little Dutch braid. If you struggle with the Dutch braid, like I always say, just do a French braid. And we're just going to be braiding it from there, but we're going to be bringing it here because I want it to fall coming this way, okay? So try not to just do a straight braid coming along here, because then your braid's going to be kind of like sticking that way. You want your braid to sort of bend around here. Cover your ear for me, boo. So I've just asked Baylee to cover her hearing aid up because I'm going to spray some wax spray. It looks similar to the other one, so it's still sexy hair. But this is a wax spray, so it's going to stop those flyaways. And I don't want it getting on her hearing aid. So keep it covered, boo-boo. Good girl. So as you can see, guys, that smoothed her hair because it was a bit fluffy from being washed, and just leaving that little curl out. And we're going to start our Dutch braid right from the top here. Again, I've got a tutorial, but I'm going to show you very soon, if you want me to, how to braid very small braids or braids on very fine hair. I'm going to go step by step for you. So we're taking very small sections. I'm starting off braiding this way, and then like I said, I'm just going to bring it down here. So I'm going to start turning my hands now, guys. Did you just win on your game, boo? Well done. I'm going to start turning this braid coming this way now. So I'm slightly adjusting my body angle, slightly adjusting my hand angle so it's coming this way. Feeding that hair in. So you can see, guys, that I've just brought that braid around right by the ear, because we're trying to sort of direct it coming, bear with, this way. Okay guys, gonna do my little trick again then. Let me know, am I being really boring now? Because I keep doing the same thing, but I can't help it. When I like something, I do it a lot. So I'm going to get the ends, I'm going to spray them with my clay spray again. It's alright, boo, it's not by your ear, babe. Just to kind of like cling those ends together a little bit, like that. And then going to hopefully, they're going to start tangling together. So I'm braiding, but I'm not separating that hair up. Can you see how it's just starting to get tangled? Hopefully it'll carry on doing that. Just push those down a little bit. Because what I'm trying to do is not put an elastic in. So I'll keep braiding until I can't braid anymore. So about there. And then I'm just going to flip that end through. Hopefully it's worked. It has. And it's kind of all knotted itself together so it looks all kind of boho and like she's just woken up naturally with a braid. No elastic needed. Yes, you. And we're just going to let that fall forwards like that. Exactly the same on the other side, guys. So I'm not going to show you this bit. I'm just going to get cracking and do it. Okay. Completely optional, guys. I am just going to be covering up that little elastic by doing my little trick. So I take a small section of hair, wrap it around, hold it round the back like that, take another elastic, pinch that piece of hair around the back, pop an elastic on, wiggle it up, and it's covered. So let's just release this hair down now, guys. Okay, now the 3 different ways I'm going to do it, and I'd like you to tell me which one you prefer. They're all going to be divided into 2, so every single one is going to be this bit of hair split. So just get your comb and split that for me. And you're just going to grab one side for me, okay? You can use a brush. If you want it to be more kind of like boho-y, you can use your fingers. And we're going to send that bit up as high as you can get it, so right up to here if you can. Okay guys, so we're going to do 2 little messy buns. Loads and loads of different ways of doing a messy bun. You can kind of half pull it through, just grab hold and pin it. I'm going to do 2 messy twist braids. So it's just 2 bits of hair, twist to the right, pass over the left, twist to the right, pass over the left. Not tight at all, really loose. And we're going to start pulling this braid out. Okay guys, so you're literally going to take this twist braid and you're just going to wind it around like that, hold it like that and pin. Same again guys, loose twist braid, so twist to the right, cross over the left. And again guys, just grabbing holds, pinning around. Okay guys, so sort of what's on there? Blah 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 blah. Mm-hmm.
Blah, blah, blah.
Blah blah blah. Okay, ready? Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so version 1 is done. Little spin for you, and then we'll move on to version 2. Okay guys, so I've taken those out, so the next one I'm going to do is pretty much the same, but I'm going to put an elastic in right down the bottom there. And again guys, you're going to do that little twisting trick, so it's twist to the right, cross over the left, nice and relaxed and loose with this braid, remember, because you want to be able to tease it out. If you go too tight with it, it's really hard to tease out. And again guys, you're just going to twist that around and pin. Okay, so this is part 2. I'm going to do another little spin for you. Okay guys, so last version of this style, okay, I'm going to do a little bunchy, but I don't want the hair falling down Baylee's back like that. I want it coming forward. So what I'm going to do is direct the hair that way, can you see? And then you pop your elastic in with the hair naturally flowing that way. Then just cover that elastic up if you wish guys, same as the one before. Okay, last bit, totally up to you if you want to do this bit. I'm going to make this a bit more boho-y, okay? It's looking a little bit kind of silky and young. I want it to look a bit more like I've been running in the fields. You know the kind of look I mean. So, I'm going to add a bit of back comb to the very centre here. And And then what I'm going to do is add a quick curl, but I'm not going to do all of the ponytail. I'm just going to take some really small sections like that and just curl the odd little sections. So some of the hair is going to be straight and some of it's going to have a bit of a curl to it. Again, adding to that sort of, you know, making it look like it hasn't been styled basically. Okay guys, so that is our last, what is it, Baylee? Last what? Last version.
Yeah. Variation.
Okay guys, that's our last version done. A little spin for you again. Okay guys, the reason Baylee's looking at me like this is because it's about 7 takes in now and we still haven't got it right, so, you know, 8th time lucky, Baylee. Okay guys, that's the end of mine and Baylee's video. I think you'll all agree that she was very, very patient. We'll love to see in the comments what you think, 1, 2 or 3, which one you prefer. And I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!
Yeah.